Hey guys, it's Larri from LarrisLivinLite, and today I am bringing you part three of my Stamping Up Haul Extravaganza Black Friday sale. And this is the part for tools and ink. Almost everything was 10% off. If you missed parts 1 and 2, I'll put a link below so you can see those. Also note, if you've been wondering where I have been, it's been over a month since I've posted a video. I gave you a little bit of a personal update in part 1, so check that out if you're interested. There's been a lot going on. There's a lot more to come. There's good stuff happening, and I don't know, I'm just glad you're here. Thank you for being here. We passed our 250 subscriber milestone. I am super excited about that. So I do have a giveaway coming up. It's long overdue, I realize, but go ahead, watch part 1 if you're interested in what's been going on and why I've been away. But I'm grateful to be back. Thank you for being here with me today. And let's get started on part 3. This is a super quick one, and it's really fun. I'm starting with some embossing folders. So this is the Seaside Textured Impressions embossing folder, and you can see the pattern here. I don't need to open it for you, but this is really pretty. I also got the Scattered Sequins, and this is a really cute pattern. Some of the sequin, well, I guess all of them have circles around them, so it's definitely different from the Snow is Falling and some of the others that have the dots, but this one is definitely sequins. It's really cute. And I got Simple Stripes, which is very similar to the corrugated, but it won't give as much height and texture. So this is just literally stripes, and I thought that would be really fun to use. And I also got some of the foam adhesive strips. Have you used these yet? Because I haven't. I use a lot of the double-sided tape and the Terran tape, and I also use the Scotch foam super thick tape on some of my cards, and this is similar to that Scotch foam. It's like a dimensional, but it's in a strip version. See how they're separated in strips? Oops, if I can get them apart. See how they're different strips? So these are similar to, say, our dimensionals, but they're in strip version, and once you pull them apart, they're super flexible. So you can tape them down in a circle. They're double-sided adhesive. They'll give dimension, they'll give a pop-up, and they're flexible. They're super thin, so you can use them on really small pieces, and you can mold them to fit in different patterns, like a circle pattern or, you know, kind of wavy or whatever it is that you might need. So they're really fun and flexible. I'm looking forward to using these. It'll be a lot easier than cutting up some of your other double-sided adhesive. I also stocked up on the mini glue dots because, well, we just need these. And there are 300, I believe, in each box. Let me see. Yes, 300 dots in each box. So this is your standard pop dot, glue dot adhesive. Nice and strong and pliable. So I stocked up on those. I got 2 boxes. Again, everything was 10% off, so I definitely stocked up. And I also got the Stampin Mist stamp cleaner. So I got another bottle of that. And here's the big ticket item, guys. I broke down. I couldn't resist. Oh, I couldn't resist. And plus 10% off. Are you kidding me? I did it. I bought the Stampin Write marker set. Oh, yes, baby. Look at that. I think there are 43 markers in here. I added 2 that I had bought separately. And I believe there are 41 markers in here. The whole stinking set. And these are different from the Stampin Blends. So the Stampin Blends are like an alcohol marker similar to a Copic. These are the Stampin Write, which have a nice end here for, you know, primarily writing or, you know, filling in whatever. And a brush side here. So these are the same exact ink as we have in our stamp pads. So these are refillable and really, I mean, they're flexible. You can use them for almost anything. So I have the full collection of the Stampin Blends, and now I also have the start of the Stampin Write collection. So let me show you the difference real quick. Let me grab my Stampin Blends. So again, these are the Stampin Write, and these are the Stampin Blends. If you haven't tried either of these, you definitely want to. The Stampin Blends, again, this is an alcohol base, and it's going to be very similar to like what you do with Copics. These are ink-based and similar to what you would do with a stamp pad, except that you can use the brush end, you can use the writing end, you can do, you know, they're both flexible to use in any way you want, but these are alcohol-based, these are ink-based. So I wanted to try both. So I've been using the Stampin' Blends for quite a while. The Stampin' Write are new to me, so I'm super excited about that. And that is it for this haul. So that was a super quick one. Again, thank you for being here. If you're curious what else is going on, check out video 1. I'll have a link in the description below. Give you a little bit more info on what's going on with me, where I've been. There are tons of videos coming, guys. I've got a stockpile over the last month. We have a retiring sale going on right now. I'll put a link and some information for that. It'll be on my blog. I've got so many cards that I have yet to share with you that I've made. Probably like late October. I've got the Occasions catalog is coming, guys. The Occasions catalog and the Celebration catalog is coming. Huge sale with those. Lots of free items when you order. So I'll have information for you on that. I also have a paper share that I am putting together for the Occasions catalog. If you would like to try every single piece of paper that is in the new catalog, I'm going to be doing a paper share where you can get sample sizes, 6x6 sheets of every single piece that's in the new catalog. It's at a discounted price because you're only getting a quarter of a 12x12 inch sheet, which is the 6x6, but you get a sample of every single sheet. Some of them are double-sided, some of them are vellum. Super, super fun way to test everything out and see what you like so you can order more. I'll have more details coming on that in my blog, so look out for that. If you have not yet made your Christmas cards, oh my gosh, guys, we're running out of time. If you would like some help, reach out to me. I will give you some recommendations, suggestions. There are lots of really fun Christmas card kits in the catalog that you can use. If you look at the holiday catalog, there are tons of videos on YouTube. If you want to make them 100% from scratch, you do still have time for that, but please get started. I know I've been nervous about getting caught up on all of my card making, so I'm working on that. There are tons of ideas out there, and if you would like any helpful hints from me, please reach out, leave a comment. I would love to share with you what I'm doing and recommendations for what kind of time you want to spend making them and what kind of materials you're comfortable with. I'll give you my recommendations and maybe some pointers, tips, whatever I can for you. But yeah, lots going on. So I am looking forward to having some more videos. There's going to be some more plan with me's. I got a really cool stamp set that I'm going to use in my planners. So la 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 la. I can't stop talking. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me. Giveaway coming up. Big one. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Thanks for being here. I will see you in the next